Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm excited to share these products with you today because one of them I've been waiting to show you for a long time, and it's finally here, and it's one of those ones that you're gonna go, I can't believe they already didn't have that. I know, me too, that's how I feel. But first, let's look at the first one, and I know in the packaging it doesn't look like much, but it says Hello Beautiful, and let me show you how absolutely gorgeous this is because it is stunning. Isn't that beautiful? Hello Beautiful. Open it up, have your pretty pictures, pretty sentiments in there, but look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Now, it is 2 separate dies, so you can mix and match that as needed. And of course, they do come with the shadow dies. But here, we didn't even use the shadow die. Here we did on the white, but this one we didn't even use the shadow die. Here's another example of it. Look at how gorgeous that is. So you can do it on slim lines, you can do it on A2, mini slim lines, it'll fit on a lot. Now, sometimes you don't even wanna use the whole word and you just wanna use the word hello. Perfect. Here's another one where we just use the word hello. I love it. Look at those beautiful dragonflies. Isn't that so pretty? And then here it is on our mom embossing folder. You do not know how much I love that mom embossing folder. Look at how gorgeous it is there. And again, you don't even have to use it all together. Here's an example of just using it with beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? No pun intended, sorry. Now, this is the one that I can't believe we don't already have it. It is Big Scallops Rectangle. Now, we have a small scallop rectangle where it's little tiny scallops. This is a big monster one. Now, why do I have, well, no, I wouldn't say big monster, I'd say big one. Because sometimes, look at this one, sometimes you just need a bigger scallop. Look at those fun examples that I have just right here. And they're absolutely gorgeous, but sometimes you just need that extra little scallop, right? Now it comes with 7 dies, which is so fantastic. Lots and lots of options. Yes, of course, they coordinate with our regular rectangles. Here's another one. Here's a cute one. Look how cute that is. Sometimes you just need that extra little look, right? Here's a cute one, turning it into a card with all of those fun scallops all the way around. Here's a cute one. Look at that. See, that scallop just really makes it pop, doesn't it? I just love it. Now, the last items I have to share with you today is a word fold it. A word fold it that I have been waiting a long time for. In fact, I'll be honest, I've already used it because I had the sample and I've already used it for a friend. But it is the baby fold it. Now yours is going to have the stitching in it. Mine didn't, but yours will, don't worry. And look at how gorgeous this card is. Welcome baby to the world. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love that baby with the stitching. The stitching's optional. You don't have to do the stitching if you don't want to. Here's another one. It can fold at the top, or it can fold on the side. This one's also on the top, but look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? How cute to send that to somebody that just had a baby or is gonna have a baby. I love it. Now, club members, of course you're getting the club discount on all of these products. And if you're not in the club, you are missing out. Every once in a while, I'll see an order come through that's not a club member. And I look and I go, oh my gosh, they could have saved 20 bucks on this order. What are they doing? The club is only $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. And then as a club member, you're getting a 15% discount on our website, and you're getting that stamp set each month. You're getting the 15% discount. You're getting club points on our website. And when we have flash sales, you're getting the club price on top of the flash sale. So you get to double dip on those discounts. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on the tab that just says join the club. Go watch the video, no obligation, watch that video, and you know what? I have a feeling you're gonna wanna join. Now, club members, you already know the deal. You know you're getting your discounts on all of these awesome products. And if I went too fast on any of the samples, never fear. All of these samples are on our website under the Idea Gallery. Isn't it amazing? Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.